Hey, Spencer here, and welcome into our fourth installment of Product of the Week. Today, we're going to be reviewing the Airmotiv S10 Emotiva subwoofer. The S10 model features a 10-inch downward-firing, heavy-duty, high-excursion active driver and forward-firing passive radiator. High excursion refers to how far the speaker cone travels linearly from its resting position. This prevents over-fluctuation, causing the speaker to distort or bottom out. Passive radiators allow sound to escape from the cabinet as a port does, but with an important difference. Since the radiators do not have a resonance frequency like a port, they allow a wider range of frequencies to be emitted, thus the sub produces the nice flat frequency response of a sealed cabinet, but also allows for the higher level of output of a ported design. Another advantage is that because there is no need to have room for the port inside the box, the overall size of the subwoofer can be kept to a minimum. Attached to the driver is a 2-inch heavy-duty solid copper voice coil on an aluminum former or bobbin. The sub is powered by a 350-watt toroidal transformer amplifier. Toroidal transformers provide higher efficiency, a more compact size, and less audible vibrations and hum. The cabinets are compact and are built of heavy, acoustically inert, high-density fiberboard, or HDF. Each sub is covered in an attractive yet durable textured vinyl. Sculpted removable grill cloths match the outline of the cabinet, and heavy-duty integral feet provide support to minimize vibrations. All controls and connections are conveniently located on the rear panel, which also provides cooling fins for the internal amplifiers. Featuring two input options, either RCA unbalanced or XLR balanced. The very basic difference between balanced and unbalanced connections is the balanced connection preserves the signal better than the unbalanced and thus reduces noise. There is a power mode switch to select either power on or auto, a LF boost control knob. This is a low frequency boost control that doesn't increase power consumption but increases bass between 30 and 40 Hz, giving the subwoofer more punch. A crossover control that adjusts between 6 and 50 Hz to adjust the frequency at which speakers begin to roll off and the subwoofer low frequency effects and bass notes kick in. And a phase control that adds electrical delay to the incoming signal. The phase control operates over a range of 0 to 180 degrees. Adding delay to the subwoofer signal can sometimes help the subwoofer to integrate better with the loud speakers in the room. This unit is in excellent condition, pretty much new with its original packaging, and is available on our website at SpenCertified.com. This concludes our weekly feature. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to like the video, comment down below what you think of Emotiva gear, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss next week's video. See you next week!